Alleged gangster ex-soldier killed in reported clash with police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A former member of the Jamaica Defense Force JDF who was discharged last year for his alleged ties with the notorious 440 Drive gang was fatally shot by the police in a reported confrontation on Tuesday. He has been identified as 24-year-old Alex Madden of a Kingston 11 address. Reports were that at around 9 p.m. on Tuesday, members of a police team were on an operation in Bridgeport, Portmore when Madden was accosted. He reportedly challenged the cops with a firearm. The police took evasive action and fired at Madden, who was hit. He was taken to the Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead at around 9:15 p.m. According to sources, Madden is alleged to be a top-tier member of the 440 Drive gang, which has been involved in a violent conflict in the St. Andrew South Police Division since last year. He was linked to 3 murders and 1 shooting committed in the St. Andrew South Police Division in November of 2024. He was also wanted for questioning in connection with an attempted murder. The Independent Commission of Investigation Indicom is probing the incident. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.